I didn't get a chicken cutlet this time.
Did you eat all the brownies?
Did you know
I may
there's
have.
brownies? Oh my god, don't do that. You guys are annoying.
They're circling, they're circling. There's one. Here he comes.
He's getting it.
That was so dramatic.
Finally.
I just blacked out. This is me watching that back. I literally gave myself the ick. You look so pretty.
You're not getting it.
Wave. No, trust me, I really don't mind.
I know, right?
This is so insane. You guys get it. Okay, sorry. Oh my god, John!
It's not pulling us.
In his underwear. Life freaking hack. Slice.
Why are those kiwis look like this?
Because they're golden kiwis. You shove a spoon right in one side, it's gonna juice.
Oh my god,
Just be
you're
aware.
not.
And then you just go like this. You spin it around. If you're really good at the twist and spin, you'll get it out within a couple seconds and it just flows right out.
Here, these are good with kiwi.
You might be. All right, when you got the big globby. I seriously think I'm gonna throw up and shit my pants up. Same time.
No, you may.